I recently did a service call in El Paso, Texas, and while I was there, two things arrested my attention. I got to see our nation's southern border. My, how we're blessed as Americans. And secondly, I saw the Fort Bliss National Cemetery. I wasn't ready for this one. Over 60,000 headstones. So on this Memorial Day weekend, I want to say thank you to all of our military personnel that provide us safety and security, being willing to put yourselves in harm's way for us. So on today's Sound Advice, we're going to do something completely different. I'm going to show you two ingredients that my dad uses to make a better cheeseburger. You probably have these sitting in your kitchen cabinet, just waiting to give you success on the grill this weekend. Here she is right here. This is the thing of beauty. 2003 is when this was made. A welder, we call him Preacher Bill in our church, he made this grill, and I've cooked over 40,000 cheeseburgers on this. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I grill the cheeseburger. A lot of people spend time marinating their meat. I don't. This is straight from Sam's Club. This is an 8515 sirloin. From start to finish, it takes about 12 minutes for me to cook the burgers. Two things to note. I hate cold burgers at barbecues, and I hate burnt burgers at barbecues. So I'm gonna make sure that I don't burn them, and I'm gonna make sure that they're warm when we serve them. Most of the time I cook my burgers at a strong medium. They'll still do a little bit of cooking once I pull them off the grill, and I make sure that we're ready to eat when they come off the grill. Another thing to note, I touch the burger 4 times, and that's it. Halfway through the first half of cooking, I rotate the patty at 45 degrees. This puts the beautiful cross hatches on the patty. I don't thaw the patties before I start. They come straight out of the freezer. That way, they don't fall apart on the grill. Right now the patties have thawed enough that they're going to start soaking up the first ingredient of Jude burgers, soy sauce. The second and final ingredient of Jude burgers, lemon pepper. I start to look for the burgers as they start to shrink up and start to come into more of a round circle. And as I start to see blood come to the surface, that's when I know it is time to flip them. And for our gluten-sensitive friends, we offer a wonderful option. This is coconut ominos. No soy, no gluten. The typical lemon pepper I use has sugar in it. This is organic lemon pepper with no sugar. We call these Monica burgers. Soy sauce. And lemon pepper. You can see those have rounded up nicely. We're about 60 seconds away from lunch. And it's time for the cheese. Cheese always tastes better when it's melted. We got 3 patties that people don't want cheese on. 15 seconds. And that's how you make Jude burgers. Thanks for watching. In the comments below, let me know if you tried this and how it went. I'm Jude, and this is my sound advice.